Hello everyone. In this video we are going to have a look at the very basic concept of mathematics called integers. We will also have a very quick overview of absolute value of integers and laws associated with integers. If we draw a number line with a 0 at its center, the numbers appearing on the right side of a 0 will call positive integer. For example, it's a 1, 2, 3 and so on. So these are positive integer. And the numbers on the left side of the 0 are called the negative integer. In this case, -1, -2, -3 and so on. So they are called negative integers. Position of integer on the number line defines the value of the integer. An integer on the number line is always greater than any integer on its left and smaller than any integer on its right. For example, -3 is less than -2 and 2 is greater than 1. Okay, now let's have a look at the absolute value of the integer. The absolute value of an integer is the distance from the 0 on the number line. The absolute value of the integer is always positive, and we write the absolute value of, for example, let's say integer x as a mod of x. For example, if we have to take the absolute value of -2, so we will write it as a -2 and which will be equivalent to the 2 because the absolute value is always positive. Now let's have a look at the laws associated with the integer. Commutative law. Commutative law represents if states that if x and y are two integers, then x plus y is equivalent to the y plus x, and this is the commutative law of addition. And x times y will be equivalent to the y times x, and this is the commutative law of multiplication. So commutative law of integers are valid for the addition and the multiplication of two integers. Associative law. Associative law states that if x, y and z are three integers and we want to apply either the multiplication or the addition operation over these integers, then x plus y plus z will be equivalent to the x plus, no matter if you add y plus z first. So the result will be the same. This is called associative law of addition, and the same goes with the multiplicative law. If you multiply x and y first and then multiply the result with the z, the result will be equivalent to the, if you multiply y and z first and then multiply the x with it. So these are called associative law of addition and multiplication. Now finally the distributive law. If it is stated if x, y and z are three integers and we have to apply the multiplication and addition at a time, so it is stated that x times y plus z will be equivalent to the x times y plus y times z. Sorry, x times y plus x times z. So this is called the distributive law of multiplication over addition. And the second law of the law of distributive law is multiplication over subtraction, which states that if we have to apply multiplication and subtraction operations over these three integers, so it states if we need to multiply x with the y minus z, the result will be equivalent to the x times y minus x times z. So this is called the multiplication over subtraction, and the first one is called the multiplication over addition. So the distributive law are classified into two different techniques. So that's all for today. Please show your love and support to this channel by liking and sharing this video, and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.